It's raining. The droplets look beautiful. I'm leaving yoga. I did a 90-minute yoga session of Bikram, which is hot yoga. And then I did another 60-minute yoga that was yin yoga, which is holding the postures for long periods of time. People who don't know how to drive in the rain. Maybe even don't even know how to drive. Oh my god. Patience pays. Wait. I hear that in my head. To listen to that again is what the sign I'm taking. I need to change my clothes immediately because I've been wearing these same nasties. You know, I got so sweaty, and they told me I need to not, like, this time I brought a towel, just a towel. Yeah, that's not allowed. Like, they want to be more sanitary than that, and there are special mats that are towels and yoga mats at the same time. They sell them there, but I need to look them up online and make sure that I'm getting an extremely good deal. Right? I'll be honest, I just purchased a bunch of items at the thrift store that, well, honestly, are for street performing. I've never done this before, and I got the inspiration to do so. I was divinely guided where I was supposed to go, and exactly, I think I might film some police interactions and find out, you know, ways that I can legally be myself. And I'm feeling most inspired, and some conversations with police officers are going to be held in confidentiality because I'm going to interview them first and figure out where exactly. I'm going to ask, where can I go? I mean, I wish that I could share their words, you know, though it's a matter of keeping them safe. And I know, like, some people are just, like, so hateful on all levels towards police officers at all costs, having no empathy that they're still real people. I understand there's a lot of different things that are going on, And the main thing that I guess I'm focusing on right now that you might not be, that I'm going to bring awareness to for those that aren't with me here, is when we look at a majority of the police patches, you could say, for all around the country, a majority of them do have the Freemason Masonic label. And I'm not saying that all police officers are a part of that. However, they are kind of, you could call it indoctrinated, or grandfathered in, and it is kind of like common for police officers to be one. However, I'm intuitively guided to let you know as well that simultaneously what you have is people who are controlling the people who think that they're controlling. You know what I mean? Like, you may think that you're in this club and that, you're being taken care of. However, simultaneously, you're like, there's somebody above you, no matter how much you want to deny that. And it's not so much an ego thing at all. Definitely don't sense any of that. It's like, or maybe that's what the ego is. It's like, it's primordial. Like, it's just, I almost want to say the word compulsive, but a better word would be effortlessly. Like, where your body just naturally goes into those positions on their own without your forms of control. Man, I guess I'm just like kind of like trolled in my own mind, feeling like, man, all the time that has just slipped me by. I had the opportunity to do a 3rd yoga class today, though I personally chose to tap out. Honestly, the hardest part about Bikram yoga today was the breathing pranayama exercise. I'm being awfully divinely guided that I'm supposed to like go eat, and yeah, consciously. We were so brainwashed on proportions. I'm going to have to shed some light on food products on that. So I'm going to save that for a little while. Though know that that's coming, man. I cannot wait to show it to you. And yeah, I'm going to measure stuff out. It's going to be really, really fun. I'm so thankful for all of my subscribers. I just love you. I 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 love you. And I want to love you more, but I can't love you anymore until I can love myself a little bit more. And that's kind of what this whole food thing's about, to be honest, because I'm so sensitive as an autistic person. Excuse my bad jokes about myself. I'm so hungry. And yeah, my body's still digesting that peanut butter and jelly. My body's still processing a lot of different things. I'm about to go through a superior cleanse, and it's not going to be easy. No, it's not. So I'll be intensifying my workouts. As a matter of fact, as soon as I get home, I like to work out. I like to set up a sacred space for me to be doing my practice as well. So I'll be changing things around, you can say. Ujjayi. It's 3:05. I'm pretty sure technically the flea market is open a little bit longer. However, I'm totally running out of weekend though. I'm like, next weekend. I'm waiting on for some CDs that are supposed to arrive in my mailbox, and they're honestly songs that I have purchased on my phone. But yeah, I wanted to be able to like record in the car, or exactly just be able to be in the car and no filter. Hey doggo, you sense me? Doggy looked me right in my eyes. Doggo's so alive, there's no lying and denying that. Well, there is totally a separation from man and dog, obviously. Where the dog is just constantly enjoying the moment, where the human is thinking far ahead of the future and judging and trying to control and manipulate. Meanwhile, the dog just remains as is in the moment. I need to re-listen to this amazing 2-hour video that I took recently. Now the dog's sticking its like front arms out the car. It's like, oh, yeah, I'm with you, doggo. I feel you. Yeah. Yes. This dog has so much personality. Oh my god. I can't not show him. Look at him. Majestic. That's just too cute. Too cute! Hey. Oh, for cute. Can somebody tell me why policemen are called pigs? I don't understand. Because there's literally a sheriff right beside us. So exactly, it made me wonder, what's going on with this? What's up with that? I'm so hungry spiritually still. I'm going to have to continue my education. I think I'm going to read a few pages of my Healing Hands of Light book. It has not been easy to sit still, and honestly I think I'm going to practice by sitting on my yoga mat. It's actually raining outside right now, so it kind of makes it difficult to participate in those things. However, I'm also working on finding alternate methods of putting my phone in some type of case that allows me to still be in water and film. I do have a few things, a few pieces, though I'm kind of looking for some lighter equipment, you could say. I feel you. I feel you. I'm just dealing with a lot of different things, okay? I'm definitely meditating on multiple things. I'm kind of in motion right now, therefore I'm kind of in that trance. In just a few moments, I'll be coming up to my destination, where I would be interested in disconnecting from you so that I can be completely one with Source alone. Or I just need to turn my attention inward, because right now I'm inward, but I'm also giving everything that's inward outward. I feel like there's a lot of us in this world doing that type of stuff. And I feel you guys going like, amen, girl, amen, yeah, I need to stop that. Oh, cutie. I'd like to come meet you, that cute dog. Cute neighborhood dog. There is totally a part of me that wishes I was coming home to somebody waiting for me. Which, honestly, I have that because I have 2 cats. it is a somebody, you know? A lot of things are being revealed to me. I'm certainly becoming more open, you could say, to like a new partner. And I totally will admit that yes, there is a particular being who has been around lately that's definitely caught my interest and like made me look at myself differently. I wish I had a printer. There's some things I want to print, some things I'm going to email to myself, some things I could use some help with. I could use help on so many different levels, y'all. I need help, but I don't ever like asking for help. I don't. I'm thinking about getting in the bathtub. I think that's what I'm going to do. And I think I'm going to go live. I wish I was like charging my phone this entire time, and now my phone's getting all hot. My phone can't even take this stuff anymore. It's just been too much. And yeah, my phone is basically full of data. That's what happened on the last one too. So God bless you. Know that I am with you. You are not alone. Be grateful. Honor both sides of the same coin. Kiss the toe of the things that break you, you know? Kind of like that. But also know your limits and also be flexible. I love you. Take care of yourself.